Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today we're going to do an unboxing and review on this Milwaukee edger. So here's the edger that you get in the box. It comes completely assembled, ready to go. If you want to adjust the height, you're going to unloosen this and that rotates, that adjusts the wheel for up or down. Let's do some simple measurements. The cutting blade is about 6 inches. Looks like we can go about maximum cutting depth about 2¼ inches. And let's raise the wheel all the way up. That'll put us pretty deep into the ground, about 2¼ inches. With the wheel all the way that way, the wheel is going to stick out about 1¾ inches. Now you can take the blade off and sharpen them up. One side, you know, it's not really sharp on either side. I was expecting one of them to be like a blade, but it's not really. It's not a blade. Huh. Interesting. So we're going to edge along here and see how well it does. So let's put it in our M18 attachment, tighten it down. Now it does recommend only using it on the rabbit, which is the fastest setting. All right, here we go. I think okay, I have it on the highest setting possible. Now I have it on the lowest setting. It's really going to get deep. Okay, so I thought it did a really good job. I definitely don't want to put it on the deepest setting. Somewhere closer to the highest setting seemed to work really good for this, but it rolls real easy and it's very easy to use. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.